Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use 4 essential text functions in Microsoft Excel: left, right, concatenate, and trim, to clean and organize employee data. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet containing employee information. Let's start with the left function. The left function extracts a specific number of characters from the beginning of a text value. For example, if an employee ID like HR 1234 is in cell A2 and you want only the department code, type equals left open bracket A2, 2 close bracket. Excel will return HR, which can help you quickly identify or group employees by department. Next, let's look at the right function. This function works the same way, but extracts characters from the end of the text. Using the same example, to extract the numeric part of HR 1234, type equals right open bracket A2, 4 close bracket. Excel will return 1234, which can be useful for tracking or referencing employee records. Now, let's move to the concatenate function. The concatenate function combines text from multiple cells into one. If an employee's first name is in cell A2 and last name is in cell B2, type equals concatenate open bracket A2, open quotation marks space, close quotation marks, comma, B2 close bracket. Excel will join the names into a single full name, which is helpful for reports and HR documents. Finally, let's explore the trim function. Trim removes extra spaces from text, keeping only single spaces between words. If a name in cell A2 contains unwanted spaces, type equals trim open bracket A2 close bracket and press enter. This is especially useful when cleaning data imported from other systems. That's it! You now know how to use basic text functions in Microsoft Excel to clean, format, and prepare HR data efficiently. You can manage and structure employee text data similarly inside Unova HRMS, where fields like employee ID, name, and department are already organized in a clean and standardized format. Thank you for watching.